Hello and welcome back. So now in this video we will rotate the health bar of the enemy according to our main camera. So if we are moving like this, then we want to rotate the health bar. As you can see now, the health bar is fully disappeared, but when we come right here we can see it a little bit, but when we are on the sides we can't see the health bar. So we want to rotate this according to our main camera. For that, what we will do, right here in the script folder, we will create a C# script, and let's name this as rotate health bar UI. Let's open this. In here, simply remove this default to functions, and right here we will create a public transform, and let's name this as main camera. And basically we will get the transform of the main camera and rotate the health bar accordingly. So right here, let's create a late update function, and we will say transform dot look at, and we want to look to the position of the main camera, and we will say dot forward. So what this basically do, it will point the health bar towards our main camera. So basically we will take our current position and then we will go 1 unit in the direction that the camera is currently facing, and that is going to be the target that we will look for, and in this case the target will be the health bar. So just simply save this, and in the Unity click on the enemy, then on the enemy canvas, and right here we will simply drag and drop the script which is rotate health bar UI, and right here we need to provide our main camera. And when we provide the main camera, now let's start the game, and you will notice the health bar. Well, as you can see now, the health bar is moving in the direction of the main camera. Now let's run right here, and you will notice that the health bar is, as you can see, it is now in front of us, and when we move wherever we want, you can notice that the health bar rotates with the main camera. So with this done, see you guys in the next video.